Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about how we can download the program to the Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our MicroWin software, and after we will first step we have to be go to this CPU, and here we have to be make communications. Because of first of all we have to be choose our CPU. This is already I choose, which you have, you can choose this one. I have this one CPU, I will choose this one, and which version you have, you can choose this version. And after you have to be click on communications. When you put on communications, after this you can double click it here and wait for seconds, because of this is process communication will be completed. After this will be shown it here the dialog box is empty, that PLC which model is connected or not connected. That Siemens PLC little have hard software look like, yani not a hard, can be say this is very heavy software. Because of these other softwares are in MB, these are Siemens in GB. This is files. Can see this is the CPU 224 XP real 02.01 is connected, and after click it OK. When you click it OK, after you can write on the click on the read PLC, or you can go directly here to the uploads. Now it will be checking, and class click it here, and after you can go to the download. Otherwise first you can make the upload. In previous video already I explained about the uploads, and now we have to be download. This CPU will download to the PLC, but what he's saying, you are downloading a system block that will change the PLC baud rate to a baud rate that is not supported by the attached device. Please cancel and change the system block configuration to select a supported rate. So go back to the communications, and here you can double click again and check this area and click it OK, and after make it cancel this one and go to the blocks main OB, and here you can create some program. For example, I will take a 1 bit and one output I will take, and this input I will give the name I0.0 and click enter, and next I will give Q0.0. This is my output, this is the input and this is the output. But here if you have a in hardware, for example in previous video already I explained about the hardware, but again I will tell you, if you have a put here wires for means yani I0.0 to up to I0.10 14, this one 14 inputs available in this PLC. So otherwise we will use it here one another bit M0.0 internal memory bit, and this we have to be up connect. This first we will give little more here, and now you can select it this one link. Because of if you like to make it on from I0.0, or M0.0 after your Q0.0 will be on. And also if you like to give the comments here, you can give the comments here. Input, this you can cancel. Input and out put program. That's depend on your logic which you like to be write the comments here. You can write comment here. Here also you can give the comment if you and after you have to be go to the directly download. It will be wait for some time. So what's the problem to the communications? You have to be check the options, PPI connection. Again we will check. First compile the program, zero error, zero warning, and this CPU, this we will download. What's the communication problem? Go back to the set PGPC, and what he says, MPI adapter 1, and go to the properties 9.2 and click OK again, and click OK, and again make it refresh. And wait for some seconds because this is little heavy. He says please wait on. Now it's reading the address. Click again OK. Again we will check compile. Save as. This we can downloads DOWN downloads, downloads and save. And again we will try. This is okay. Yeah, this is the giving problem because the system block we are downloading, but this will be not downloading. And again click to the download, and he say do you want to place the PLC in stop mode? Click it OK. It will be stop the PLC, and now you like to put the PLC in run mode. After it will be go in run mode. And now you want to be the status of check the PLC. Click it this one here page, and here you can make the status on. Now our simulation is on, and we can check this I0.0. This will be not possible, but this will be, this we will can be checked with by M0.0. because of this is we cannot see in the this we can make bigger, and this also we can make down, and now we can see also camera. But when we make it right, this one, see, if we click on right, our PLC will be on. We can see our output Q0.0 is now on. And if you have a visible hardware wiring fixed, have push buttons or whatever you like to be fixed, inshallah next videos I will make it here one push button in my panel. This panel I will show you complete. This panel I made for only just for learning videos. Inshallah this complete course I will share with you about this S7-200 PLC. And after have inshallah course I will download about logo PLCs, have another PLCs S7-1200 and also this other brands. So inshallah, so this if you like to be close this one M0.0, just click again right to the right off, and after it will be close. If you another bit like to be download, for example, here you have to be stop this simulation, and here you can make it another network and click this one, and here output, and give the address, for example M0.1 I will choose, and output address I will choose Q0.4 for example, and click enter. Now this network also go to the compile. Here you can make it compile, and also you can find in the tools debug PLC. See, here is compile button. Also you can from here compile. This is zero error, zero warnings, and here also you can compile zero errors, zero warnings, and now again download to the PLC. Click on download and click it OK stop mode. Now you can see the PLC is going in stop mode, and now he asking for run mode, put in run mode. So now it's run mode. Now we will test our second step of our PLC. This is M0.1, put on right click. Now our Q0.4 is run. And if you like to check this one Q0.0, right click right, your Q0.1 is 0.0 is now on. Hope guys you will be understand about this one, how we can download the program to the S7-200 PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.